How to invite friends on Temu. Earn free rewards and discounts step by step. In this video, I'll show you how you can invite your friends on Temu. So to get started, go ahead and open the Temu app on your device and then make sure you're signed in into your account on Temu. And then head over into the U tab on Temu. And then on the U tab, click on this gear icon at the top right of your screen, and that will take you into this page. So on this page, go ahead and look for the share this app section. So click on this and then click on this copy link. So you'll basically get a unique referral link or code in here. So once you share your link via WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or SMS, your friends must sign up using your link. And then when your friends register with your referral, Tamu tracks it. Only new accounts count toward rewards. So you'll earn discount coupons, free gifts, or cash bonuses depending on the campaign. Rewards unlock instantly or after your friend's first purchase. Check the invite friends section to see how many joined with your link, which rewards you've unlocked, and what's next. Inviting friends on Temu is one of the easiest ways to save money and score free gifts. Just grab your link, share it, and watch the rewards roll. And that is how you can basically invite friends on Temu.